Hello, my name is Sean, and today I'll be going over Simple Hexabuttons. Now, this module is very similar to the look of red hexabuttons, but there are two key differences that makes it different from red hexabuttons. The first noticeable difference is that the LEDs are in basically different positions, referring to up, left, right, and down over here. And in the case that all the LEDs are pointing up, which could technically happen, there's also one other key feature that makes it different. By pressing the center button, you'll hear a text-to-speech message, but you'll hear a number first, then the word.
2 delta.
And in the red hexabuttons, as you've recalled, it starts with a word first, then a number. This is the only key difference to telling apart between the two. So, let's begin this process. So we got our basically message here, and let's get the positions of the LEDs, which is up, up, left, left, up, right. Now, each of the non-center bent LEDs will be pointing in a different direction. We're going to refer to this table below to see which button is assigned which direction by using the button's position as the column and the LED's position as the row. And that gives us a indicated direction of left. And we can keep following along here. So next we have another up by top right, which indicates up. Then we also have a left for middle left, which also indicates up. A left from middle right, which indicates left. An up from bottom left indicates up. And a right from bottom right takes us to left. So these are the actual directions that each button is doing when pressed. Now, we're going to start off in this matrix where the space that we're in is equal to the message that we have, using the number as the row and the letter or word as the column, giving us this space right here. And then we're going to do these instructions and repeat every single time as follows. First, we're going to press the button that we're currently on, the space that we're currently on, so we're going to press middle right. Then, from the space that we're currently on, we're going to move in the indicated direction that this was assigned to that button. So middle right's assigned direction was left, so we're going to move left. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to repeat that process again. So now we're going to press bottom right and go in the indicated direction of bottom right, which is going to be left, which gets us middle left. So now middle left is the next button to press, and middle left indicated direction is up. So we're going to go up to bottom left. And then bottom left's indicated direction is up. So we're going to move up, wrapping around to the bottom here. And of course, this grid wraps around from left to right as well, giving us bottom right. Now, the other thing is, if the space has a button that has already been pressed, we're going to keep moving in that direction, wrapping around when necessary, until we reach a space that contains a button that has not been pressed yet. So we're going to keep going up. We have top right, which we have not pressed yet. And then, knowing the process of elimination here, we've pressed 5 buttons, and considering that we need to press all 6 buttons, the only button that we haven't pressed yet is top left. And this is the button sequence that we're going to press. So we're going to press all 6 buttons here. So middle right, middle left, bottom left, top right, top left. All right, let's do another one. This time, I'm going to do it interactively. Also, another note, if you have trouble of hearing or unable to hear, you can press the status light to enable deaf mode. Upon doing that, you'll see 2 letters appear on, at least 2 characters appear on the center button this time when pressed.
2 delta.
And it looks like we're starting in the same exact position as always. So we have 2 delta here. And this is going to be more interactively, so let me explain how this is going to work. So first we got to press middle right. And I'm going to say to my diffuser, okay, press middle right. And then they're going to give me the LED direction for that, which is going to be right. So that means we have to go down. So the next button to press is top right, which top right is going to be up. So we need to go up. So that's going to be top left next, which is also going to be up, which means we have to go left. We already pressed top right. We have not pressed middle bottom left yet. Okay, bottom left. Bottom left is up. That's going to indicate up. We have yet to press bottom right, so bottom right, and then by process of elimination, last button. As you see here, that was way, way faster than giving all the information. I'll do it one more time here.
2.
If it's delta
Echo.
again. Okay. That would be kind of insane if it was 2 delta again. But here it is, 2 echo this time. So 2 echo refers to top right. Top right is pointing left, so that's going to indicate down. Then you need to go down, takes us to bottom right. Bottom right is down, so bottom right needs to go up. That's going to take us to middle right. Middle right is down, so if we go middle right and down, we need to go up. Now let's say if I went down instead and go to middle left and press middle left instead. You see that the module has yet to strike me or anything like that. It won't strike you until all 6 buttons have been pressed, as you see there. The other thing to note is that when you're pressing buttons and you're unsure if you're doing it correctly, you can press the center button to reset all your input.
2. Echo.
So let's do this actually right. So I believe it was top right, then bottom right, then we did middle right, which was up, then we have to do top left, which is up, which indicates left, which is bottom left, and then process elimination. I hope all of you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time guys, keep talking and don't explode.